Are you tired of being bullied because of your unnourished and black spotted skin? Do you want to change for the better? This Nature's Touch Gem Soaps.
Nature's Kiss Gem Soaps. Make your skin beautiful, smooth, and consistently healthy. Only available in 3 varieties: Moringa, Taro, and Cocoa. Moringa soap has powerful effects on our skin. It is natural and non-toxic, packed with vitamin D, and makes skin smooth. Taro soap contains vitamins A and E, reduces wrinkles, and boosts overall cellular health. Cocoa soap is an overall antioxidant powerhouse that makes our skin healthy, thus giving you a more youthful appearance and fewer wrinkles. Nature's Kiss Gem Soaps products are 100% organic and very affordable. Change for the better life. Use these organic soaps with the chemistry of goodness. Use Nature's Kiss Gem Soaps.